All right, Big Daddy Shin hanging out with Juliana. Hey, show me your new toy. What's your new toy?
So this is Little Life Pets birds.
It's the bird version. What else can you get?
We can get all kinds of different birds, but mine's have a lucky.
No, I mean, is there other animals you can get?
Yeah.
Like
there's
what?
There's a mouse.
A mouse?
Mhm.
But you like the bird better than the mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so what does this bird do? It's just making noise all the time.
Yeah, it makes noises, and look what it wing does.
Oh,
It
okay.
opens. And
So-
we can just see it's under.
So how do you make it make noise?
We can either press this,
Uh-huh.
but it doesn't work, I guess. Oh, we can go this, and then it's
So when you pet it, or do you need a... Oh, what did it say?
I don't know.
What's it saying?
It copied. It copies. It copies. It just copied.
No, is it?
Yeah, it did copy. So in the cage, we have a swing, food, and we have the key for his heart.
Okay, the key to the heart.
And
Okay.
it's a lantern because he has a lantern on his wings.
What letter?
That lantern.
Oh, lantern. Okay. So you know that's a lantern key for the lantern thing. Good job.
Yeah, but we need to put it in its heart.
Okay.
And we can either move this key.
Or put the key to the heart and let's see what happens.
It copies, then we put it in its heart.
What are you doing?
Okay, let's just...
No importa el tamaño.
Hello?
¿Cuánto pesa la que llevamos, la otra?
Hello?
La más pequeña.
Just say something, but I don't know.
Hello. This is Pinky Purple. I don't know, whatever. No, your name Cupcake. Oh yeah, she named it Cupcake.
Va a decir que no le va a gustar esta gorra. Mira
I
cuánto
named her
vale.
Flora.
Flora?
Yeah, that's her.
Okay,
It's
awesome.
a purple Flora.
Okay.
Lejos por mí, pero se la voy a
It's
dar.
cute. So, what we have is it's food here. Look at it.
Okay.
This is the food and this is the water.
Okay.
Just empty so we don't make a big mess.
Does it really drink water?
I don't know, but it just. So
Yeah.
right here,
Mm.
right here.
Mm.
Let me just move this way. Right here is where it holds the food.
Okay.
So look,
David has
closer look.
Si supiera cuánto vale, ¿sabes cuánto me
It holds the food.
Awesome. Yes.
And it has a swing, and at the very bottom, there's a little hanger that hangs it up.
Oh yeah. That one in there, right?
Yeah. And I don't know where we hang the key, so I just hang it
Te
right
llevo un
here.
Galaxy 6.
Okay. Awesome. So how do you put the bird on there?
We just take it in
Hey, did they fix your phone?
Yeah.
and make sure we put it nice. And
Ooh.
then we close the cage so it doesn't escape or fly.
So this key doesn't do anything except close it, but this key is a different key than that. So if you lose the key, you're in trouble, right?
This is my size, Steve.
Awesome.
Oh, 7.5.
Yeah, I got it.
Acá están las llaves de...
Okay, is that it, Juliana?
Yeah, but there's one more thing.
What? What's one more
We
thing?
can also take it
Oh
where
yes,
we want.
right? Hey, if you get another one of these pets, right? Just say you get the Golden Gabby one, right? No, there's one called Golden Gabby.
No way.
Hint, right? Yes, it's purple. It's dark purple. But anyway, so if you did it, how would it have room to get two birds in there?
We can buy the other cage for it.
Or what?
Or we can share with the
Could-
other bird.
Could it move over? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it is.
I can't do this one with my hand. Is that it?
Yeah, that's what can it do.
Ooh.
But and then the
Bajar la goita.
just falls over it.
You know what? You should name this one Clarita.
No.
Because if you get Gabby, you get Gabita y Clarita. Oh. What's that mean?
Flora. I'm still gonna name her Flora.
Hint,
Purple
Milton.
Flora.
I think she wants
And get
another
your
one.
finger out of the way.
All right, gosh.
So, si,
Okay, awesome. Anyways,
lleno este.
hey, you. Thank you for showing me your toy. Yay.